In this video, I'm going to be quickly talking about how you're going to be transferring the Pi token to OKX. So for this, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your Pi browser app and you're going to come to your main Pi wallet. Now, once you're over here, simply go over to pay and request. And from here, you can either scan or show QR code or manually add your wallet address. So if you want to do this manually, just go over to manual wallet address, and right here, you can go ahead and type in your OKX wallet address and simply click on send. And what happens is the Pi blockchain sends the Pi tokens to your OKX blockchain. Or a simpler way, what you can do is scan or show your QR code. And once someone scans this from their OKX, you can simply transfer your Pi to their OKX account in the simplest way. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.